New Philips TAB7207 Soundbar 2.1 channel with wireless subwoofers. 2.1 channel 8-inch wireless subwoofer for deeper bass. Dolby Digital Plus delivers cinema surround sound. 2-angle speakers for wider sound. Stadium EQ mode, bring the stadium home. Conventionally connect all of your favorite sources. Technical specifications are speaker system output power 520 watt maximum, 240 watt RMS. Total harmonic distortions less than equal to 10%. Equalizer settings movie, music, voice, stadium. Sound enhancement, treble and bass control. Loudspeakers, number of sound channels 2.1, front drivers 2 full range, 2 tweeters L plus R. Soundbar frequency range 150 to 20k Hz. Soundbar impedance 8 ohm. Subwoofer type active wireless subwoofers. Number of woofers 1. Woofers diameter 8 inches. External subwoofers enclosure bass reflex. Subwoofer frequency range 35 to 150 Hz. Subwoofers impedance 3 ohm. Connectivity Bluetooth versions is 5.0. Bluetooth profiles 2A2DP AV RCP. Streaming format SBC multipoint support. HDMI ARC Dolby Digital Plus LPCM 2 channels. Optical Dolby Digital LPCM 2 channels. USB MP3 WAV FLAC Bluetooth SBC. iLink HDMI CEC. Audio return channels automatic audio input mapping one touch standby.